Hey guys, today Hradshot met is Vector one, okay? We will how you can the facts among that, okay? This one. No. Oh yes, I'm gonna start. Okay. Alright. Then explain that. Maybe. Okay, what the hell? Yeah. Okay. Now to send a pickle. Oh, oh, other thing that they put a habit instead. But it's now to sign eagle and the peanuts. Okay, and the jar. It's the puppets. It's stemming the products. Community. Using the whole gigs. Puppets and the sofa nearly die. It's written in the yard doing anything. It's the honey. Hide it and when it die it's the inside. So it's 10. It's my camera in the Christmas Thursday. Well, um, 1 second. Just one. Okay. But what's the camera feels up? Okay, it's my turn again. You have the answer big. Max again. Aren't you? W. Tanya. She'll did that. And then Tanya. Tanya, is it the same habit? Okay, let's swing between habits. Yesterday. And Chris. Yes, okay. Let's say. Oh, okay. Okay. This is very serious. Bye.